it's September, so here in Zone 7B, that means the garden is beginning to wind down. However, first thing we notice about the garden is that it is a bit bigger. We are attempting to expand the garden up on the top of the hill here, doing the lay cardboard down and put grass clippings on top of it. And the soil health is looking promising because we're having a lot of mushrooms pop up out of it. That's a good sign. There's good soil health and it's breaking down. And tomatoes are really starting to come in good ripeness, which makes my father very happy. And I'll pop on down to show you the other part of the garden. Okay, so we're down in the lower garden now. Once again, tomatoes ripening. Pepper ripening. That's a new kind of pepper. I actually haven't tried it yet because this is the first one the plant decided to grow. But it has little baby peppers, so I'm excited to try that and see what it's like. It's hybrid. I got it from Garni. Over here, we have the beans, which are kind of getting spent. But these bean plants back here did nothing all summer, and are suddenly doing something. We're guessing maybe the trees were taking nutrients and moisture, and now the trees are getting ready to start shedding their leaves, and so they're not taking as much. Now the plants can do well, so the green beans are kind of doing well. Over here we have our fall planting of, these are like green beans that are purple, but they're green when they cook, something like that. Anyways, but I'm in love with the cute little flowers. I don't know if that's focusing well, but we were surprised at how quickly they started blooming, so hopefully we'll start getting some bean harvest there and have some little peas started down. We're going to pull out those beans and put some peas plants in there. Got some started inside. The Malabar spinach is taking off completely. I love how the teepee is looking with it on there. And cucumbers are pretty much, and squash are pretty much getting spent. The pickle worms, never really had pickle worms before, but apparently that's a thing, and they're getting all in them. So, and of course, vine balls and squash bugs have taken their toll too, but we're still getting an occasional squash and cucumber, so we're thankful for that. So, you know, it's fall. Today's technically beginning of, I think it's meteorological fall, and then astrological fall is mid-month, or maybe twice a fall. But anyhow, it's becoming fall, so it's not unexpected. We got some good melons up down the hill. Got a good number of butternut squash, and we have some more that have decided to try to grow. I don't know if they're going to get them or not, but the garden is definitely showing its age, but we're still getting food, so we're not complaining. This garden, we still have some spent squash, but we have a garden we're getting ready here, hopefully to get the, and start seeds inside soon. Going to get a winter lettuce garden in there. So I had good success last year with using sheet plastic, and another spot in this pile of sun there. So I'm really hoping to have good success of getting lettuce growing all year, winter. And the lace is just, we're trying to cover up some the cucumbers to try to keep the pickle worms off it. So this is a light cucumber and a tomato sucker we planted all, hoping to get a little bit of a later crop.